Hello everyone. Today we will understand the second part of the polynomials where we have to find out the variables which are given for the polynomials are the zeros of polynomial or not. At the end of the video, please like, subscribe, share and leave the comment in the comment section. So let's start with question number 3. In question number 3, the first part is Px is equals to 3x plus 1 and it's given the value of x is equals to negative 1 by 3. So let's substitute the value in the polynomial. So P minus 1 by 3 is equals to 3 into in place of x minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. We'll get here 1 into negative 1 plus 1. So 1 into negative 1 is negative 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. If the value of the polynomial after substituting the value of the variable in the equation will give us 0. That means that variable is the 0 of the polynomial. So we can write down, therefore, minus 1 by 3 is 0 of Px. Similarly, let's take another example. Third part, Px is equals to x squared minus 1. In this question, they have given us two values of x. So we'll write down here x is equals to 1 and here x is equals to minus 1. So P1 will be equals to 1 square minus 1 is equals to 1 square is 1 minus 1. We will get it equals to 0. Similarly, here we have P minus 1, which is equals to minus 1 square minus 1. So minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1, which is equals to plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, we can write down here 1 comma minus 1 are zeros of Px. Similarly, we can take another set of example. For example, the eighth part. Px is equals to 2x plus 1. So x is equals to 1 by 2. So P1 by 2 will be equals to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. We'll get here 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So in this case, P1 by 2 is not equals to 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 is not a 0 of Px. So this is how we can calculate any variable is the 0 of the polynomial or not. In question number 4, we have to find out what is the value for 0 of the polynomial. In question number 3, what we are saying, if Px is equals to 0, then x is 0 of Px. So we are going to use the same condition here. What we can say, if Px, which is x plus 5, is equals to 0, then we can say the x is 0 of Px. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to write down x plus 5 is equals to 0 and x will be equals to 0 minus 5, which is equals to minus 5. So that means x is equals to negative 5 is 0 of polynomial. The next one is the third part. where px is equals to 2x plus 5. So, if we have to find out the 0 of this polynomial, what we can say? We can say 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. You can write down if. So 2x is equals to 5, we will take to this side, minus 5, and x will be equals to minus 5 by 2. So we can say, therefore, x is equals to minus 5 by 2 is 0 of polynomial. Similarly, if I take the sixth part, where px is equals to ax. So we can say ax is equals to 0 if x is equals to 0 over a, which is equals to 0. Now why we are saying 0 over a is equals to 0? Because in the question they have already given a cannot be equals to 0. That means a can be a negative number, a can be a positive number. So 0 divided by any number is equals to 0. Therefore, we can say that 0 is 0 of polynomial px here. I hope you understand the questions very well. Do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.